Hi doctor, how do I tell if my cough is chronic?
If you have persistent cough for more than 8 weeks in adults and more than 4 weeks in kids, then it is called as chronic cough. If you have such kind of a persistent cough, which is either productive, that is, it is with mucus, or dry, you need to see a physician or a consultant ENT so that you can treat yourself for the same. It can be associated with multiple other symptoms, like you can have fever, you can have weight loss, you can have blood in sputum, you may have burning sensation in your chest or throat, you may have symptoms of reflux. So these multiple things along with cough need to be evaluated, and hence don't ignore your cough if it is more than 8 weeks, and get your consultation ASAP. Thank you.